CSR, corporate social responsibility in Dalmia Bharat is historic. We have been doing it since pre-independence. CII-ITC has given us a platform to share our work and experience with our peers in the sector. So we thank CII-ITC Center of Excellence for Sustainable Development for this opportunity. This is amazing actually, like I said, this has given us an opportunity to share our work and experience with our peers in the sector. This recognition means a lot to us.
This means a great significance to us. It is because of the sustained effort of the entire ACC Parivar that I stand here today and proudly acknowledge their contribution. The CII-ITC award means very much to us, and each year I see the fired desire in their relentless effort to win this award. They treat feedback extremely seriously, and every year we try to better ourselves. And it is thanks to this award which creates so much passion in an 80-year-old company.
In Tata Power, the sustainability model sits on this premise that if you are a leader, you must have leadership with care. So at the core of it is care. And so for us, working for the planet and working for the communities is in itself a huge joy. And on top of it, if you win an award from an institution like CII-ITC, then it's a double joy for us. So we are delighted winning these awards. So biodiversity is a special one for us, and I think corporates have a better understanding of CSR and environment management. That's the technical part of it, which is about emissions and water consumption, but understanding life systems and understanding how our operations can impact the entire ecosystem is a different ball game. And then on top of it, to try and not just repair the damage that industry does, but actually go out and try and work within the natural ecosystem and try and do benchmark conservation programs is something that's special. And we also believe that it involves our employees, and when you can get all your employees and everybody inherently is a nature lover, so if you can get everyone together to volunteer for environmental conservation, then you have a happy organization.
We have been participating in this assessment for last 3 years, and continuously for last 3 years we have been winning this award, for sustainability, corporate sustainability and corporate excellence. And this award means a lot. Every time we learn new things through this award. Last 3 years there have been a lot of improvement in our sustainability performance also, and we learn from various industry experts on the sustainability part.
So we're very happy to be here today. The award comes at a very crucial juncture where we've re-strategized CSR, and this means that we are on the right path. And we hope to go many miles further and together take everyone on the Rise for Good journey.
We participated in supply chain category of the CIA Sustainability Awards, and it was a pleasure going through the entire awards process. Engaging with the CIA Sustainability Assessors is a very enlightening and enriching experience, because not only it helps to benchmark yourself with the best in the industry, but also you learn a lot of new things, new perspective from people with a varied background. I must thank CIA Sustainability Awards team for conducting this and recognizing us. This is going to motivate us a lot. And being in the food industry, I think we are very close to the farmers, and whatever we do, all the work we do with the farmers, which are all related to sustainability, making their lives better, all this is recognized and motivated by the assessors. And I'm very proud of receiving this award and hope that we continue to do well in this field and be recognized in the coming years.
First of all, I'd like to thank CII and ITC to give us this opportunity to be assessed and get this prestigious award. And I'm pretty sure this will help me and the organization take this to the new heights. And my MD, Mr. Chatterjee, and our Director of Finance, they're all serious about the sustainability angles, and this is a main focus of the board and as a part of the corporate governance and sustainability. So Exide is going through a interesting journey and there's a quite exciting time ahead, and I'm pretty sure that you'll see us again here in a much better position again next year. And we are thankful to, again, thanks to CIA and ITC for giving this award.
This simply motivates us to go for much higher levels of efficiency and bringing in more and more laurels, not just for the company but also for the environment, the society in which we operate. Having a just, inclusive and progressive society is not antithetical to profit, and that's what we are going to prove as SR over the years. It has been an honor here to be present here and receive this award, and we look forward to more of them in the future. Thank you so much.
It's a great honor and privilege to receive this prestigious award. It's a big moment for all of us with the Aditya Birla Group. It's really fascinating journey for all of us, and we have been there for us at the Aditya Birla Group. We take this corporate social responsibility with all seriousness, and we do have a definite structure in place, and which is being headed by none other than our chairperson, Mrs. Rajshri Birla. She is under her visionary leadership. So this entire corporate social responsibility is being carried out across the group with various locations interior, and we work in about 3,000 villages spreading all over India and even the overseas, and benefiting about 7 million population. And this entire corporate social responsibility, we have a cell to spearhead headed by the Group Executive President Dr. Pragna Ram. She heads the corporate cell, and we do have companies which is being headed by the company's CSR heads, and we have about a 25 field strong force which all commitment which gives, and at the end of the day which gives you so much of satisfaction for having been serving to the most underdeveloped the served communities of our country. And it's a beginning, and which lot more need to be done. It's a great privilege to be closely associated with our group, and it's a great honor to receive this prestigious award.
Feels fantastic, top of the world, great feeling. Especially winning the CII award means a lot to us, because CII's award stands for transparency, credibility and the intense process. It took us a lot of effort winning this, so we are proud of it.
If I have to describe this award in one word, it's about recognition of all the effort that we've been doing around environment management for many years. And it's great to go through a rigorous process set up by CIA ITC for getting this award. I think just going through the award itself gives us a lot of learning of what others are doing and inspires us even more to get to the next level.
I got the debut assessor award this year. I underwent training this year only, and this was my first assessment. The assessment has given me to work as a team. There was great learning within the team also, and while visiting the different companies to assess the companies. The training has given me opportunity to learn various aspects of sustainability, and to assess was just not assessment, but it was a learning opportunity for me. And this is a journey. I will go ahead with this thing for a long time.
I've been associated with the CII ITC Sustainability Program since 2013. It's a wonderful experience. I can only say that this is a focused, comprehensive and professional approach wherein the assessors have to undergo the training first, and subsequently they have to use those skills for making assessment for the awards. I won't say it's very strenuous, no it's not, but it's very interesting. There's a lot of learning from both the sides. I have enjoyed doing it, and I have, frankly speaking, come to know a comprehensive idea about sustainability.
We have been associated for this year for the award, Sustainability Award. In fact, I have been with this award for the past 7 years, and it's a great feeling to get this award for the first time, Best Teams Award, of course. In fact, it's a different feeling altogether. You know, if I talk about the criteria, 250 criteria what we have, it's something, it might feel quite comprehensive, but when it comes to applying it, it becomes very easy. The criteria has been so well explained, so it also makes a lot easy for the assessors to interpret in a manner which is not only useful for themselves for assessment, but also useful for the applicant company, and that makes this award so special. And I would request every company in India to go through this particular assessment and be a part of this great CII Sustainability Award.
If I have to describe this award in one word, it's about recognition of all the effort that we have been doing around environment management for many years. And it's great to go through a rigorous process set up by CII ITC for getting this award. I think just going through the award itself gives us a lot of learning of what others are doing and inspires us even more to get to the next level.
We are participating in this initiative for last 5 years, out of which we got the awards for 4 years, and this year we are very happy that we got the trophy also. This is a wonderful initiative by CII ITC. It created a lot of competition among the industries to become sustainable, and the initiatives taken by each plant has really improved. The site assessment is really very interesting, and at the same time it is very rigorous. The assessors has been taken round of the plant, each corner of the plant, and while they have appreciated, recognized the good work done by the plant, at the same time they also have focused on the areas for improvement, and that is where the plant is getting benefited by this initiative, and every year we are getting this award. I sincerely express my thanks to CII ITC for this initiative and helping us as well as the industries for further improvement. Thank you very much.
This award is a very prestigious award, and it has given a lot of value to our unit. We are getting awards from last 3 to 4 years as per our company vision that we are most sustainable and competitive industry in this zone or in this area. Actually, we are tending towards the carbon neutral and water positive, which are very essential for the sustainability, and a lot of efforts have been put by our company, and every year, almost from last 4 years, we are getting these awards.
No other award in India, at least I can say that, has so much of rigor and 360-degree evaluation of the companies on sustainability. This is the 6th year we have been participating in this award. This time we got the outstanding achievement, and every year this motivates to go further and further in sustainability journey and doing our best.